Stop overspending on seller leads that end up with your competitors and try this quick fix instead. Now, over the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you a highly effective video ad that I teach to my established estate agent clients that will fix your dead leads problem and instead get them to book in market appraisals with you. And if you'd like the video script and the ad setup tutorial that Phil used the other day to get a booked in market appraisal in just 36 hours, drop the word video below and I'm happy to send this to you. My name is Tina Sandford and I'm the founder of estateagentsuccess.com, and we create low-cost specific video ads for UK estate agents that do 95% of the work for you and also ensure that you are the go-to estate agent in your area. But let's first talk about why you would want to put ads like this in place for your business right now. Well, estate agents across the country are finding it harder to find new clients at the moment, and because of the use of social media to bring in new clients is on the rise, many estate agents are actually hiring companies to run adverts for them. Now, these ads tend to offer a free resource or a tool in exchange for the seller's contact details, or they push people directly to book an evaluation by clicking on the ad. But that's not working for many agents. Despite the amount of money that you may spend on these ads, a large number of sellers will never take you up on your offer, regardless whether or not they need an agent right now. And that is because these ads do not show the seller that you are an estate agent that they can actually trust, okay? In fact, you're more likely to lose trust and authority when you only run ads like this, yeah? Because all they see of your estate agency is sales ad after sales ad after sales ad. And this is one of the main reasons why estate agents actually have that stereotype about being salesy, because every time a seller hears from an estate agent or sees one of their ads, the agent is always selling something, yeah? So what we do instead for our estate agents to book in more market appraisals is to actually create a 3 to 5 minute educational video that's purely meant to give value to the sellers. And then we use low cost video ads to promote it on Facebook. And most of the time, they are explaining a helpful topic that a seller can actually use to get a good home sale, or they're teaching information that will prevent them from having like expensive problems later on, let's say. And then instead of having like a direct offer for sellers to work with them and perhaps continue to show local sellers that all you care about is selling them some service package, let's say, we use an indirect offer where they can reach out to you without losing any trust or no offer at all sometimes. And there are several reasons why this strategy works so well, because when you combine it with your regular advertising, not only are you building a lot of trust and authority with your sellers by being the estate agent to teach them crucial skills and preventing them from running into those costly mistakes, but at the same time, you're also showing sellers that they do not want to miss your other videos and posts because there's likely more value to be had by watching them. And then there's a final benefit of these ads, and that is that you continue to stay top of mind for these sellers, because whenever they see your video, they're thinking of you. And then whether they're ready or not for a estate agent right now, this keeps you 10 steps ahead of your competing estate agent. And that's when they're ready, they'll come to you. Now, would you like the video script and the ad setup tutorial that Rob used the other day to book in a market appraisal from a past lead after only spending £4 on his ads? Drop the word video below and I'm happy to send this over to you. Now, with this video ad in place, you can get all your paid for leads to keep your estate agency top of mind. And this is what helps you to generate more market appraisals. And you can do it starting today. Cheers.